Hi there, my name is Dustin Beebe. I've been here with Titan Machinery for about 15 years now. I'm a combine specialist here, and today we are going to go through a mid-range combine and talk about the fundamentals. Now we're going to go in and talk about the chopping system on this combine here. We're going to talk about the rotary chopper knives, the stationary knives, the chopper pan, and we're just going to visually look at everything and make sure that everything is ready to go for the season. So first off here, we'll look at the rotary chopper knives. So we can see these knives here have got plenty of life left in them. They're not too rounded off. They still got a pretty good sharp edge on them. And for the most part, most of them are here. I see one is busted off right here. So in case something like this does happen to a guy, we recommend that you replace these in pairs. So if you replace this knife here that is busted, you need to spin the chopper around and count in 3, because this one is the third one in that is broken. Replace that third one in on the other side as well, because these are balanced. And if we replace just this one and not the third one on the back side, we could get our chopper out of balance. So once we visually inspect again that they look fine, that they're good and sharp, and none of them are broken missing, the rotary chopper knives are good to go. We also want to visually look at the chopper pan itself, make sure there's no big dents or holes. If there is big holes in them, we need to get them patched up or replace the chopper pan is the best scenario. Because if we do have holes in them, the debris can go down through the chopper pan and it can actually beat on your sieves pretty hard and actually break the sieves if it's bad enough. Once we look at the rotary chopper knives, the chopper pan, we're going to go below that and we're going to look at the stationary chopper knives. We need to look at to make sure that they are all there again, make sure none of them are broken off and missing, that they are good and sharp, that none of them are bent. And we also need to make sure that our main holder that holds them stationary knives in is not bent as well. And after all that, if that all looks good, your chopper system is ready to go. So the last thing we're going to talk about in the residue system here is the spreaders. We want to visually inspect the spreader cone here, make sure that everything looks good. Along with the spreader disc all the way around, we want to make sure that it isn't cracked out or broken. And the spreader bats, we want to make sure that those are all bolted down, not busted or missing. Again, because if they are missing, this would be out of balance here. If all that looks good, your spreader bats and your spreader should be in working order.